lockdown is not getting over. Now the schools will start. But how to get admission in school? Basically, which school I should prefer? In which school will my child develop holistically? If you are bothered by all these questions, then we have answers to all those. Yes, and the answer is our Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation's Shatabdi Sohola Sahakar Nagar English Medium School at Chembur. And yes, once you get the admission, then no need to worry. Let's begin with our Honorable Visionary Headmistress Ma'am and our passionate and versatile devoted staff. Here we'll briefly introduce our school. We welcome our students by keeping Praveshotsav to make them feel safe and happy. Along with studies, we also strive to develop ethical values. Finally, we want to create tomorrow's generation. Our student learns through action, means by doing themselves. Actual experience leads to better understanding. We give practical experience to the students of the different things from our daily routine. They do experiments to collect data on their own using learned lessons and innovates something new with their new challenges. They also enjoys doing something new, and if everyone sees and appreciates, it's different. This unique experience student gets. We keep a day where students put their own food stall. It's a good opportunity to apply profit and loss formula and also a kind of enjoyment to the other students. Yes, our special teacher also works hard to develop students' skill, their creativity and their voice to come up with their skills. We take students to the different places where they learn through actual experience, and the picnic takes them to the different world. That's not all. Through sports, we develop physical skills among the students. Students make friends, have fun, learns to play as a team member. Yoga helps to increase concentration and to get focused in life. Apart from studies, we also give scope to other artistic talents like music, dancing, and much more. After all, we all need a change from our daily routine, which helps us to bring new enthusiasm and energy to the work. Student also gets the opportunity to come up with their extraordinary skills with confidence, where they get a platform to perform fearlessly, where they have no any kind of fear in their mind, and a clear platform, a clear base to come up. Appreciation for good work help to achieve great heights. It also stimulates the mind to do something new with new energy. The same formula works for our teachers who are hardworking and passionate, who try continuously to mold students positively. For this purpose, our teacher continues learning to increase the store of knowledge and to give something new to the students. And yes, nothing is possible until we get your support. So we try to update you by keeping parents meetings time to time. To make learning process effective, we make use of digital techniques in our teaching. Then what are you thinking about? Just fill the given link and confirm your admission right now. We did not waste a single minute of this lockdown period. We continued our teaching through online methods. We are thankful to our dignitaries for their guidance and support. Thank you.